Hello viewers, today in this video I am going to show you how to fix Preauth Playlntegrity verification failed problem Chatgpt. First go to your phone setting. Tap on settings. Now scroll down. Find here apps. Tap on apps. Then tap on apps management. Now find here Chatgpt. You can see here Chatgpt, tap on it. Scroll down little bit. Tap on storage. You can see here clear data or clear cache. Tap on clear data. Now tap on delete. After tap on delete and go back your home screen. Now open your Play Store application on your device. Tap on search. Search here Chatgpt. Update your Chatgpt if it is available. You can see my Chatgpt apps already updated. Now go back your home screen again. Now open your Chatgpt application and log in with your Gmail. Hopefully solve your problem. Thanks for watching this video. If this video helpful for you, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.